You can make unlimited passive income with affiliate marketing, but nobody's telling you how to do it the right way. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step tutorial that anybody can follow to start seeing real results. It all starts with finding the right affiliate offers to promote. Step 1. Sign up to affiliate marketplaces. Affiliate marketing is when you tell people about a product or service and get paid if they buy it or sign up through a link the company gives you. It's a real way to earn without creating anything yourself. To get going, you need to check out affiliate marketplaces. These are websites where companies put up their programs for anyone to join, and a lot of them don't ask for any money to start. 3 places I've found useful are ClickBank, ShareASale, and Impact. You just need an email to sign up for any of them, and it takes maybe 5 minutes. Then, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days for them to approve you. That's your entry point to find offers that can bring in cash. If you have any specific questions about this step or any part of this process, I made a community where I personally answer your questions and guide you step by step to make your first $1,000 online. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube automation, AI-driven short videos, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and much more. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. Click the first link in the description and join AI Income Friends today for instant access to everything. Step 2. Get your affiliate links. Once you're on one of these sites, you've got to look around for the offers that pay enough to matter. The goal is to spot programs that pay you a solid amount every time someone buys or joins through your link. You want something that feels worth the effort. The thinking here is pretty clear. A bigger payout per sale means you don't need as many people to buy to make decent money. When you're browsing, take a close look at each offer's details. Some tell you a percentage like 50% of a $60 product, which comes out to $30. Others say a set amount like $100 for a sign-up. Either way, you're after the ones that pay well enough to keep you interested. You can sort by category, maybe health or tech, or look at the highest payouts first. It's like picking the best apples from a pile. Don't rush it. Scroll through and see what stands out. While you're looking, keep an eye on how fast you can get your link to start promoting. Some programs hold you up, making you wait for them to say yes, and that can take forever. That's not what you need when you're trying to get moving. You want offers that hand you your link as soon as you sign up. On ClickBank, most products do this. You make an account, choose an offer, and the link is yours in a couple of minutes. ShareASale depends on who's offering it. Smaller companies usually let you in right away, but bigger ones might drag their feet. Impact usually moves fast, especially with offers that don't need you to prove much up front. Getting that link quickly means you can start sharing it sooner. I've been held up by slow approvals before, and it's annoying when you're ready, but stuck waiting. Now I look for signs that say instant access, or skip anything that mentions a long review. You want to grab that link and run with it, testing it out to see what it can do. Step 3. Research the product. After you've picked an offer that pays well and gives you a link fast, you've got to figure out what it's really about. This part is all about knowing the product or service, so you're not just guessing. Say you went with this Unlock Your Hip Flexors digital product from ClickBank. Head to their website and take your time looking around. Start with the main page. What are they promising? It looks like they're promising information that will help eliminate joint and back pain, with some other added bonuses like boosting energy and decreasing belly fat. Dig into the details next. Does it come with videos you watch, a guide, or testimonials? Look at what buyers say. Are they happy or complaining? You're not skimming here. You're learning what makes it good so you can talk about it later with confidence. This might take an hour, but it's not wasted time. Understanding it means you can explain it in a way that feels real. While you're on the site, take some screenshots to hold on to what you see. This isn't tough, and it helps a lot down the road. On a computer, most keyboards have a print screen button. Hit that, open something like Paint, paste the picture, and save it where you won't lose it. like a folder on your desktop. On a phone, it's usually the power button and volume down together, quick and done. Grab 5 or 6 pictures. Get the main page, the part that explains the product, any prices they list, the product itself, and a review if there's one. These screenshots keep you on track and give you something real to work with. I save mine in one spot so I'm not digging around when I need them. Step 4. Create content. Now that you've got your offer and some pictures, it's time to make content that gets people interested. You don't have to write it all yourself. There are free tools that can do most of it. First, pick a tool that's good and won't cost you anything. ChatGPT from OpenAI has a free version you can use. Grok, made by xAI, is free too and keeps things simple for writing. I like Grok because it sounds more human and generally does what I ask it to do more accurately. Try one out and see which you can handle easiest. You only need something that writes words you can tweak into shape. Then you need to tell the tool what to write. This is a prompt and it's got to be clear so you get something useful. I can give Grok a prompt like, write a 1,000-word blog post about how unlocking your hip flexors can eliminate back and joint pain, boost energy, and decrease belly fat. Use keywords like back pain, joint pain, and hip flexors. Set it up so that I can plug in and unlock your hip flexors affiliate link where appropriate in a subtle way. Use clear and easy to understand language. That's straight enough to work. The 1,000 words give you a big post with lots to say, and those words help it pop up when people search. I've learned that vague instructions get you nonsense you can't fix. A solid prompt means you're halfway to a post that's worth sharing. And here's something else you can do. If the tool you picked can take pictures, add the screenshots you saved. Grok lets you do this, which is great, but ChatGPT's free version doesn't. If it works, upload 3 or 4 screenshots and tell it, use these pictures to shape the post. It'll pull real details from them, so the content matches what's there. I've noticed this keeps things accurate. Without it, the tool might make up features that don't exist. If your tool doesn't let you add pictures, try to copy and paste important text from the landing page into the prompt box and ask the same. When the tool hands you the post, take your time with it. Read every bit and fix what's off. See if it lines up with the affiliate offer. Does it drag on or keep you reading? I go through it slowly, cutting parts that don't fit or sound weird. I also try to add a little personal touch without overdoing it. This might take 30 minutes or an hour, but it's key. A post that's clear and feels true gets people to trust you, and trust leads to clicks. You're not after perfection, just good enough to matter. Step 5. Set up social media. Social media is one of the best ways to get eyeballs on your content and affiliate link. Pick a platform that fits what you're promoting and who'd want it. For the Unlock Your Hip Flexors program, Facebook is smart because that's where older people with back and joint pain tend to be. If you're promoting a tech tool from Impact, Twitter might be better since people there like fast fixes and tech content. I've been using Pinterest lately because posts stick around and keep pulling people in. You don't need every site. One you do well is better than a bunch you half try. Choose what matches your offer and the crowd you're after. Set up a profile on the platform you go with. It's free and quick. Sign up with an email, then add a profile picture. Something simple, like your face, or something tied to your niche. For health and wellness, maybe someone meditating or a green health icon. Fill out all the fields so it looks legitimate. Write a short bio next, something that catches the eye without sounding fake. Helping you unlock your hip flexors so you never feel back and joint pain again works for our example. Keep it short. A sentence or two. I've seen long bios turn people away. Quick and clear does the job. Add your affiliate link to the profile too. Most platforms have a spot for a website. On Pinterest, it's in settings under website. On Twitter, it's in the bio box. Copy your link from ClickBank or any affiliate marketplace, paste it in, and test it to make sure it goes to the right place. I've messed this up before, and it's a letdown when it leads nowhere. This link is your direct line to earning. Anyone who checks your profile can click it, and that's a chance at money before you even post anything. It's like planting a seed that grows on its own. Step 6. Upload your blog post. Now you've got a spot for your link, so let's get that blog post out where more people can see it. You want it on a site where it might pop up naturally, like in a search. Medium is a good pick for this. It's free to join with an email, and it's got a crowd already reading posts. Search engines sometimes grab Medium articles too, which means people find them later. I've posted there and seen views build up over weeks. Sign up, confirm your email, and you're set to put your content live. When you put your post on Medium, make it easy on the eyes. Paste it into their editor, then split it into short chunks, 3 or 4 sentences each. Big walls of text scare people off. Add a few headings to break it up. Medium's tools let you make headings pop without much work. If you've got those screenshots, drop them in where they fit. You can add pictures for free, and they pull people in. I've seen posts with images do way better than plain ones. Keep it clean, and people will read longer. Put your affiliate link in the post, but do it so it feels right. Don't just throw it in randomly. Medium lets you use links on the free plan, so you're fine. Place it 2 or 3 times. Once early, once in the middle, and once at the end. I've found that too many links feel spammy, but a few done well work. It's about leading them naturally to click. Step 7. Drive traffic to your blog post. Last up, you've got to get eyes on your post and link. Share it where it will count. On Pinterest, make a pin with a free tool like Canva. Open Canva, search for a Pinterest template, pick one, and then edit it by adding relevant text like why you need to unlock your hip flexors now. Then link your pin to your Medium post. Post it, and it's out there. Again, remember to share it where your people are. Talk to people who notice what you share. On Pinterest, if someone comments on your pin, reply with a tip, then add, "The program I posted about could help." Keep it friendly and real. I've built some trust this way, and that turns into sales. Don't just dump links everywhere. Help out and point them to your work when it fits. For more reach, make some posts that catch the eye. For example, I do 5 pins over a week, 1 a day on Pinterest. Each pulls people to your offer. On Twitter, add a screenshot to a tweet like, "This program keeps it simple and works." Free tools like Canva make it easy and cost nothing. I've seen visual posts grab more attention than plain words. This plan can bring in real money if you stick with it. A few sales a day add up, and it's all from links you set up. It's not instant. You've got to pick the offer, make the content, and share it. But once it's going, it keeps working. I've had posts pull in sales while I'm off doing other things. Start with one offer, get this down, and then grow it. What niche are you thinking of doing affiliate marketing in? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons while you're there.